Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today we are discussing the topics in biology. The topics are biodiversity, processed sugar, waste disposal and landfills, green energy and sustainability. Let us go to the topics. Introduction to biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms on Earth, encompassing all organisms from microscopic bacteria to towering trees and everything in between. It includes genetic diversity within species, the variety of species themselves, and the biodiversity of ecosystems they form. Biodiversity is crucial because it supports ecosystem stability, reliance to environmental changes, and provide numerous ecosystem services essential for human well-being such as clean air, water and food. It also a source of scientific and medical discoveries, cultural richness and enjoyment. Essentials of biodiversity. The essentials of biodiversity include genetic diversity, variation in genes within a proper species. This genetic variation is crucial for a population's ability to adapt to changing environments and to survive threats like diseases. Ecosystem diversity. The variety of ecosystems in a particular area. This includes different habitats like forests, deserts, wetlands, and oceans, each hosting a unique community of species interacting with each other and their environment. Functional diversity. The range of different biological processes, functions, and characteristics of ecosystems, such as nutrient cycling, pollination, and decomposition. Understanding and preserving biodiversity is essential for maintaining a good stability of our planet Earth. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity or biological diversity refers to the variety and variability of lives on Earth. It is crucial for many reasons such as ecosystem stability. Biodiverse ecosystems are more resilient and adaptable to changes such as climate fluctuations and human disturbances. They are better able to maintain balance and provide essential services. Preserving biodiversity is an importance in maintaining the health and sustainability of our planet. Introduction to processed sugar. Processed sugar refers to sugars that have been extracted and refined from natural sources like sugarcane or sugar beets. The refining process removes impurities and results in highly concentrated form of sucrose. This type of sugar is widely used in food production and cooking because of its ability to sweeten and preserve foods. However, excessive consumption of processed sugar has been linked to various health concerns including obesity, diabetes and dental problems. It's often advised to consume processed sugar in a moderate of a balanced diet. Is processed sugar good for health? Processed sugar, when consumed in excess, we can have negative impacts on health. It provides empty calories which can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing conditions like obesity, diabetes and heart diseases. Processed sugar is not considered beneficial for health, especially when consumed in large amounts. There are some reasons why excessive intake can be harmful. Weight gain. Processed sugars are high in calories and can have weight gain and obesity. Heart disease. High sugar consumption is linked to increase in heart diseases. Dental problems. Sugar contributes to tooth decay and cavities. Eating these foods regularly leads to weight gain and other problems. It means you are going to experience that sugar spike, and if that happens continuously, it can contribute to obesity, diabetes and heart diseases and other chronic conditions. Waste disposal. Waste disposal is a process of managing waste from its generation to its final disposal. Effective waste disposal is essential for maintaining public health, environmental protection and resource conservation. In developed countries, municipal liquid waste flows through the sewage systems or treated under or sewage. Landfills. Landfills are sites designed to store garbage. They are designed to minimize the effects of the trash on human health and the environment. Modern landfills are completely sealed to reduce the contamination of the nearby groundwater. First, the ground is lined with clay. A thin layer is of flexible plastic is placed on the top of the clay layer that allows the collection of leachate and then water passes through the large area and drawn out from toxins in the environment form. Potential hazards of waste disposal and landfills. The waste management should be aware of the complexity of the potentials of CO2 and methane gas present in the soil, and further works must be processed on the consumed landfills gas presence. Moreover, there are other landfill gas properties to be noted. The most important landfill threat is because of methane gas emission produced due to the accumulation of waste. This methane gas can be caused by landfill fires, resulting in burning of garbage, causing extreme air pollution. Improper hazardous waste storage or disposal frequently contaminates surface water and groundwater supplies, and this pollutes water pollution and can also be a source or dangerous for the land pollution. Green energy. Green energy typically refers to renewable energy sources that have a lower environmental impact compared to traditional fossil fuels. These sources include solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, and biomass. They are considered as a green because they produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions or other harmful pollutants during electricity generation. The shift towards green energy is a key storage is a combination of change and achieving sustainability and globality. Sustainability. Sustainability is a social goal for people to coexist on Earth over a long time. Definitions of this term are disputed and have varied with literature, context, and time. Sustainability usually has a three dimensions or pillars: environmental, economical, and social. Many definitions empathize the environmental dimension. Sustainability is the ability to exist and develop without depleting the other resources for the future. Importance of green energy and sustainability. It will never deplete and can remove our reliance on imported fossil fuels, which are growing more expensive and less accessible. Sustainable energies also helps to conserve the planet's natural resources and reduce the pollution associated with the unsustainable energy. Green energy and sustainability for arid regions and Mediterranean countries. Over the past decade, solar photovoltaic installations have grown significantly, and energy storage is crucial for integration. Pumped storage hydropower is a cost-effective and proven grid-scale energy storage technology, reducing variable renewable energy, and floating solar photovoltaics can reduce water availability issues and floating on water bodies. Thank you everyone.